that any car should have is more sound. So induction is going to be the easiest way we can get this. So that's why I've decided to get an MST intake and a non-plastic charge pipe from BMS. The thing about this, it's just going to be the easiest intake I've ever had to install. Just push your clip up and it comes right out. So as soon as you do that, take your same flathead that you've used, flip it, same flathead you just used, take your hose clamp off. As soon as you got that, should be able to take this whole thing right out. Be careful with your grommets right here, because we're going to need those later. And our inlet is going to have a couple things attached to it that we're going to have to remove. So we have our one-time use little clamp here. Come on. I might be able to just pull you off. Oh yeah, it's loose now. There we go. And then we have this cable here. So to get you off, I actually don't know for sure. This might also be a one-time use thing that we can't reuse. I just don't want to damage the cable or lose my screwdriver. I'll have to get back with you in a minute on this one. There we go. Easy. And now we have our inlet, which is going to be roughly the same as earlier. Where we have the same kind of sensor here. Take a flathead, pop it up if we can, and pull it out. I've already disconnected our wire here. A lot easier than that one we just dealt with. Let's see if I can get you up. Okay, there we go. Up and pull down, pull out. So a couple cuts later, finally got the two PCVs off the inlet, and it doesn't look great in there. Could probably do with a catch can or something, but the hard part's done. Luckily, taking off the charge pipe should be pretty easy, and I accidentally, I don't know if you can see down there or not, I took off the spring to the charge pipe already. So I just got to take the cover off, take some more stuff off, maybe a couple sensors, and then we can go ahead and put the charge pipe on, and that's half of the job. So I don't have instructions for this one, I don't think, unlike the intake. But I'm thinking in my head, we have flange meets up here. That's obviously going to go down there. Probably like that. Couple goes here. Link them up together. Should connect right in there. Or the flange should connect right into there. Hopefully, at least. We'll see how it goes. But I got the cover off, and man, this thing is dirty. We'll get it figured out and put on. Take your flathead. It should just slide right out. Well, this one's got some play to it. Same thing here. Pull that. Oh, but pull you. Oof. Both of these ones are a little bit more difficult. Huh. Scared to break it. I'd hate to break a sensor as I'm doing this. Maybe I didn't pull it out all the way. Let's see. Put it back in. Oof, that didn't sound great. Should be all the way out. Huh. Okay, well. Let's push you back in. I might be able to get away without taking that off. The charge pipe's off. We've got the bottom on. Blow off valve is attached. Should be able to just slide this part into the boot. I kind of get why people pay shops to do this shit, Caleb.
You appreciate a lot more if you do it yourself.
That's true, but right now I just want to be fucking done. Put it on. Before we put our clamps here, let's go ahead and run these. Make sure everything fits good. And we can go from there. that was awful. I definitely see why people pay to have shops do their work, because putting this on the vacuum system and what was it? This adapter or this sensor was miserable. Even a lot of people were complaining about the throttle body attaching the charge pipe to it was going to be bad, but man, that was nothing compared to this. That was absolutely awful. Okay, so now I just gotta put the clamps on and throw the intake. Everything's buttoned up. Got the sensors back in, the map is back in, got the clamp onto the turbo. This sounds good, not showing any codes. Should be properly warm. Gave it some revs, still not showing a code, which should mean that all the sensors are working because our map is not showing any codes, that we're not reading low air. Still no codes. First drive. Oh my God. Oh my God, that sounds crisp. I don't know how well you can hear it on the camera, but my God, that sounds so much better than I expected. That is like perfect. Listen. Oh my God, that sounds so unbelievably good. And I know the blow-off valve can be changed with a different spring to kind of adjust it a little bit, but I'm not sure. I'm not like a genius on all that kind of stuff. This is literally my first car that I've modded, and I hate that I didn't show everything, but it's a little stressful. I don't know if it's because of the blow-off valve, but I feel like I'm not hearing the intake, and I've seen a bunch of different videos about the MST intake, and I don't know if maybe it's they're using a mic and they have the intake like mic'd up or something, but my God, all I hear is that blow-off valve.